It's also in the actor focus and factual mood. Hey there, Bisaya learners! Welcome back to another fun and exciting Bisaya section session. Today, we're diving into part 2 of the must-know verb langga, which means care or love. Sounds sweet, right? Well, it gets even better because we're going to explore its different conjugations. Are you ready? Let's go! Okay, before we start, quick disclaimer. I'm not a linguist. I'm just a native Bisaya speaker who loves sharing my language with you. So if you have insights or corrections, feel free to drop them in the comments. Now, let's jump in. Here's a fun challenge. We're going to listen to a short conversation between a mom and her son. The word langga appears in different forms. Try to spot them. Ready? Notice also the superscripts on certain words. This is to give you an idea of the Bisaya English translation. Let's listen, shall we? Ya, tabangi ko diri be? Tawag sa iyang mama samtang naglaba. Ma, kapoy man maoy. Pero sige na lang, palangga biati ka. Maong mutabang ko, ingon niya. Nagkatawa iyang mama. Ah, karon pa dayon ka nagpangga na ako ha. Sa dihang gusto kag pabor, dali ra kaayo kapag pangga na ako. Ang ma, syempre, ang anak nga nagpangga sa ginikanan, panggaon sad sa ginikanan. Iyang tubag, samtang nanilhig, nang hinaot nga naa siya'y bonus nga pagkaon unya. Did you catch them? Great! Here they are. The ones in bold are the conjugations of the word pangga in this video. Nagpalangga or nagpangga, pagpalangga or pagpangga, and palanggaon, also panggaon. Here we go again with our conjugations. One form of conjugation of langga is nagpalangga or nagpangga. The prefix nagpa puts it in the progressive causative aspect, meaning it's an action happening over time caused by someone or something. It's also in the actor focus and factual mood. Another sentence could be, nagpangga siya sa iyang anak kada adlaw. We are now in the other form of conjugation of langga, which is pagpalangga or pagpangga. Pagpalangga has the prefix pagpa, which also makes it progressive causative and actor focused, but keeping it in the affectual mood. This form is often seen in verbal commands or continuous actions. For example, another example sentence, ang imong pagpangga sa imong pamilya, klaro kayo. In one of the previous videos, palanggaon is already discussed as one form of langga. As a review, panggaon still has the root word langga with the affixes pa, root, on. Final form is palanggaon. And pa and on affixes put it in the neutral causative aspect, goal, focus, and factual mood. The action is happening momentarily or is completed immediately, but is caused by someone or something. This page is intended for your exercise. It's your turn now to fill in the blanks with the correct form of langga. I mean the aspect, focus, and mood. Also, if you will be able to make the sample sentences, that could wrap up today's session. So don't hesitate to type your sentences on the comment section. And in order for me to make more videos, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next Bisaya lesson. Kita kids! See you!